Hello again, this is Patty's Hobby World. So I finished the blue. I want to work on it just a little bit more. I want to get a little deeper. And then I think I want to try a little, little sheen. I haven't figured out what color sheen I'm going to use. I don't want to use yellow. But let's get started on the last portion of her. And let's do purple. Okay. And that should do it for this side. Okay, so let's see. She's not focusing in today. Not at all. What's going on? That's not even focused. Okay, let's just stay right there. Maybe I'll be able to get her to focus later. Okay, so I'm gonna do purple. I pulled all my purples out, trying to find another swatch paper. So we definitely want to do purple, a lighter purple, and a medium purple. Well, that's a little dark, but it's saying it's medium. See? So try those. Let's see what some of these other ones look like. Got some gel pens. I don't like these. These are more of the, what's this color? Lavender? Yeah. So, but you pull them all out, you see what you have, you see what they, see that's a little purple, that's purple, so we can use this. Well, no it's not, it's actually the other side. And definitely no. Okay, so we're back up to these three. These are my watercolor markers. It's dark. So let's work with these. And I may use that, but it's getting too blue for me right there. Let's just stick with these three right here. And the blue, I had to get some pencil out to just get her a little bit deeper blue color. I'm not happy with it so much, but I'm just going to keep working on it. Keep working on it and bring it out some more. So even still, just kind of bring her out. Sometimes you just got to get into the nooks and crannies and help her to come out a little bit more. And usually she'll come. So, but so far so good. I'm okay with it. So I want to let everybody know that I got my project, my next project. I love going to antique stores. And I love vintage, antique, pretty much anything. Pocketbooks, suitcases, anything antique-y I really like. Okay, so I'm going to do a DIY on how to repair a suitcase. Okay, so there you go. And let's get started. Let's see what we got. We're going to do oops, sorry. Yeah, we're good. Gotta turn the book around just a little bit. Do the okay, so I'm gonna try to fix that later. I'm gonna come across. butterfly. So just keep searching to cover your areas. I need to turn around just a little bit because I need to get her over here. And I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the butterfly's body yet. I may just come down and do it all yellow. Just kind of, and because since I started with the head yellow and just finished, but just make it go really nice and deep. Use the yellow oranges that I have here. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. I'm videoing. Text me. Sorry about that. That was my son. And hey, we do live in the real world. So the phone will ring. And I like that. I had someone say, it's got to be professional. No, this is YouTube. This is just a how-to video. It's no pressure, no harm, no foul. You know what I mean? We're not trying to, win the Academy Award here. So there you have it. I want to do that for some reason. So it is okay. It is okay. Okay. So I think that's it for this light purple, at least for right now. I'm just going to work on the medium purple and just see what this does. So be careful, start in an area because it is dark. And that is the wrong purple. So we are going to get this one out. I may have to go to pencil. I want purple purple. This is more of a, I don't know, just looks different on the paper, doesn't it? Maybe it just needs to dry. It just looked red right there. So Be careful these brushes can be very, very soft. So you don't need a lot of pressure. Not at all, so just, oof. I'm just letting the ink bleed onto the paper. That's all I'm doing. Up. All right, so just be careful there. Yeah, see that? See that? I don't like that. Okay, so just gotta be very careful. Okay. Ever so careful. All right, let's see how that looks. Then I'm gonna finish it up. Let me see if I can zoom in. Probably not this fine day. All right, let's see. Sorry about that, everybody. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Oh, there you have it. I'm going to work on it a little bit more, finish her up, and we'll see the reveal. And stay inspired. And color, color, color. And I will zoom out for you. Thanks for watching. And let me just pull her in just a little bit so that you can see. And there you have it. Not done. Almost. Thank you.